Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday the 24th of April 2017. So Friday, what a strange day. The market didn't do a lot at all. We had a sell signal. I sent a note out when we were around this area, and then we did manage to get down to the 20,550 level before we saw the market bounce, then move back down. And then this sell-off here that you see in this bar, that was a result of crude oil. Crude oil moved sharply lower. Let me just remove a few things here for you. You can see this. This is what we got, an hourly chart. So you can see the reasoning why in the evening session there you can see crude oil moving sharply lower, and that is the reason why we saw this drop down here. Got a bit of a sell-off, and then of course, as usual, they brought the market back before the close. So if we'd not had the drop in crude oil, then you can see that we would just have been stuck in this sideways channel for the duration of the session there. So in the daily chart, we've got the same problem still in this market. We've got prices struggling with the 20-bar average. You can see they're trading up to it but failing to close above it, and again you've also got this downtrend as well. It's just a slow grind to the downside. There's no big sell-off at the moment as of yet, but who knows going forward. And the reason I mention that is that I've spoken of this in the last few market alerts about selling in May and going away. So what I've done here is actually highlighted it for you in the chart. So all of these arrows that you can see on the charts are what happened after May. And so this is 2008, so we see the market move lower in May. In 2009, of course, they pumped a huge amount of money into the market, which you'll see here. And of course the market isn't going to go down when you've got a massive shakeout in the background. They bring the market back. However, 2010, you can see there we've got the market down in May. You can see May there, it started to move lower, and then thereafter it moved lower, again moved lower. We've got the market coming off the highs in May and down for June there. In 2014 we saw the market move low. This is a monthly chart, by the way, so it's a month's worth of price action, so it may not look as if a lot's happened, but it has. The market still drop lower and then come back. And then in 2015 we see the market moving lower in June, July, and then we had the big 1,000-point drop before the market opened on the 24th of August 2015. And even in last year we can see the market actually did drop. Took out the low of May there, and then down for June, and then back. So statistically I think it's 7 out of 9 there actually saw the market move lower after, and then resume and move back to the upside. So certainly going to be interesting to see what happens during this May. News wise, well, today we've got the French presidential election. That's on the Sunday, so on Monday we'll get a good indication of what's going to happen. In fact, 8 p.m. BST, we should get the first exit polls as far as how Marine Le Pen is doing in the election, whether she's going to make it through to the second round. But on Monday, absolutely nothing apart from a couple of Fed. No, just the one actually. Kashkari speaking at 4:30 and 8:15. Tuesday, not a lot either. Wednesday, it's one of those weeks where we're waiting for news. So again, we'll see what happens there. And then finally, on the implied volatility, we can see that we've got a bit of an increase to 11.16. That was, of course, because of the drop in the crude oil prices, up from the 10.68. Right, that's it. Let's see how the markets react overnight with the French elections, and if anything adverse happens, then I'll report in. But other than that, I will speak to you during the trading session as usual. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next.